to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have an Oufer body jewelry video for you guys. I've got a whole bunch of jewelry in here and I'm so excited. So this all got sent to me, so thank you so much Oufer body jewelry for sending it to me. As you can see, I've got my 2 nose rings here and my septum. My septum's looking pretty janky and old. I've had it in for most of the year, so it's like a few months already, so I'm excited to give her an upgrade. And I also think I've got some studs in here so I can replace these, so I'm really excited because I've had the rings since like October last year, yeah, for Halloween. So ready to take these bad boys out. So let's see what we have. Oh, I'm dropping some already. So the first one that we have is so fucking adorable. This is a little flowers here, so she's really cute. Let's try it on. It's so freaking cute. Little daisies, and it's gold. I haven't put it on like super tight just so I could get it off since I'm trying on so many, but it's super cute. Came with a free gift. Most of them come with a free gift. And this next one that I'm opening, which is this one here, also comes with a free gift, which is really freaking cute. So let's go. Really like this one because it's super small. Like, it's actually really tiny. It's like super teeny tiny small. And I think, yeah, you can wear them the opposite ways. So you can wear the butterflies upwards or downwards. So I think that's really cute. So this is a really cute little one. I've got them on this side like that. And it's really cute and little and dainty and adorable. This one, which has a, like, I think it goes in your nose and it's got a chain. So it's like a septum that's a chain. So I'm interested to see how that's going to go. Because, yeah, look, it's a chain. So a chain septum. So let's put her in. Really cool because it pulls out. I thought it was a screw, but it just slots in and out. So that's really cool. I like that. So let's put this in. Chain is so cute, though, because you do this and you can't feel it in the way. Super easy to install. I use tweezers to do it. But it's just a really cute little chain. Like, very emo vibes, very cute. I feel like you couldn't wear this on the regular, though, because you don't know if you're going to get, like, you know, that kind of gross texture around it if you had a runny nose or something. But, yeah, really cute. And it looks good with the 2 rings as well. So we love that. We love that that goes together. So it's really cool. So that's open next. I think we're going to move on to the studs. Let's move on to these studs. Again, super easy, like, install. Not install, extol, because you just pull it out and it goes like that. So it's perfect. These are all these kinds here. We've got a big butterfly. We've got like kind of a, what is that? Like an angel sort of vibes. And then we've got a tiny little like diamond square. So I don't know if I want a big butterfly on the side of my face, but they are really, really cute. And I think that it's time to switch these out, or at least one of them. So let's give it a go. Weird seeing me with the stud on my nose. I did try the butterfly one in, but it's too big. And this one was the middle size one, and it is also too big. So not a huge fan of this one. It's always so gross taking out nose piercings as well, because these are the twisty ones. So I am actually bending them slightly so they're not so, because they're so curved. So I am bending them slightly just because my nose was not designed for these ones. I mean, noses weren't designed to be pierced anyway, but here we are. So I'm just bending it with some tweezers, and then I'll put this little guy in and see what she looks like. Okay, I feel like I could kind of get away with this little cute little stud, but it probably is a bit too big for me. So I'm thinking like maybe something smaller, but it is cute. She's cute. She's a little guy. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. So I'm going to switch these out now just so I've got a base to put some normal septums in. Put the butterfly in there and it looks super cute. And it looks super cute too. Studs in, and it's weird, but this is what we're doing now. So I have 3 more to try. So let's do it. The little hinge clicker. So put it in. I like that it's just a star. Like, look at that. Super cute and little. She's really shiny, but she cute. She cute. Another gift. This is like eloquence. This is really nice and fancy. And I think definitely having these studs in it makes it a bit more like obvious to that it's like really pretty and really like gorgeous. It's got a butterfly in it, and then it's kind of got wings, and then this little diamante gem hanging off there. Like, if it was me wearing it all the time, I'd probably just get rid of that little gem just because it's like a bit too much. But it's really cute. I think it's really adorable and would look really nice like in the ear as well. I think would look really cute. Gift! This one has like an opal in it and it's really cute. It's another dangly one, but we're not made at danglies. Get in my face. There we go. Oh, I like this. Okay, I really like this. This is really, like, this is really nice. Like, she's got a nice diamante. It's not too much. Like, I think it's not too much on the face as well. Like, it's quite chill, like, if you were just having, like, a normal kind of day. It's really cute. It's a cute little, beautiful little septum jewelry. Looks gorgeous on there. Now my door is open, so it's giving a really gross background. So I'm going to close that. We back now, babes. All right, I really like this one. This is really cute. I think I'm going to wear this one today as well, just with the little nose studs. Like, she's feeling fresh, she's feeling clean. This is a very different kind of vibe, but I like the little opal in the middle. It's really cute. It's not too much on the face as well. Like, you'd think looking at it, it is a bit too much, but I think it's actually quite nice and passable. So I'm going to wear this today. I think it's really cute. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. What one was your guys' favorite? Like, out of all of these, like, we got so many gifts as well. Like, these little baggies of gifts. Like, altogether we got 4 gifts of really cute little nose piercings, which are really adorable. I really liked this one. The daisies was really cute. I love this one. Oh, and I actually really like the chains. I kind of want to wear the chains like today. I'm gonna wear the chains. So let's take this guy out. Let's do that. These clickers are like easy to come out, but it's like getting that like grip, you know. It's like getting that little bit that like works on it, because it's hard when you got long nails like me. There we go. Unclipped her. I'm gonna put this one in, and I'll show you how easy it is to put in as well. I think I went from this way last time. Kind of smush it in. Get in my face. Alright, there we go. And then, how did I do it? Kind of like this, and then it's a little bit fiddly, but did I get it first to go? Yeah. And you just kind of push it in, and then just separate out that chain to kind of fix it a little bit. But yeah, now it just looks like I got a chain through my nose, and I actually really like that. I think that's really cute. Just that little kind of chain vibes. She's giving me emo girl, punk rocker. I really like it, so I'm going to wear this one today, because I think it's just really cute. And I know it shows off my nose a bit more better without all the metal in it, but it's still got a lot of metal. Like, she's metal without being metal, so I love that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me in the comments down below what you guys think. What was your favorite one? And until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!